Hello techies, this is CompTIA 11.1.14 and we are going to create it. We are going to close a ticket. So your name is Jamie Anderson and you work in the IT department for a small company, and an employee by the name of Taylor Quick assigned you a help desk ticket requesting that the software program named Audacity be installed on her system. You installed the program after work hours yesterday and you need to update the ticket accordingly. So in this lab, your task is to complete the following. We're going to open the company's help desk ticketing system, issue tracks for the ticket created by Taylor and assigned to you. Add the following comment and close the ticket. So I installed Audacity on your computer. Okay, let's start up. We'll go to start menu and we'll look at issue tracks and need Audacity. Okay, I think that is the ticket we have to close. Yep, that should be it. So we'll go ahead and we want to for this we're going to impute this comment. Taylor, I installed Audacity on your system last night. And you can also copy and paste this comment here to save time, but I prefer typing it out. So I installed Audacity on your system last night. So go ahead and add this. Go ahead and close this. Let's see. Yeah, we close. There's nothing left. So let's check our answers and see how we do. And everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You can also reach me through my email. Join my professional membership so that you have access to more videos that are not available on this lab currently. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.